So these all are details about me, my name, my user account at GitHub, and I'm from India. Let me directly run my project. Here, well, you can see it is a multi-user finance tracker where we can do CRUD operations. We have the menu like list the existing users, add new user, access your account, update a user, and delete a user. So let me list out all the existing users. So I will select one and press enter. Now it is showing the user ID and all the things for whoever the user is present in my data. You can see here. Now if I want to add a user, I will select two. So it is asking for the name. Let me say Deepa is the name. Now it is asking for the address. Pantnagar. I have put the address. It is asking for the phone number. Let me say something here randomly. Now as you can see, the user is added with ID 4, right? The user is added with ID 4. Now if I want to access my account, I need to select 3. You can see it is asking for the ID which I want to access. So I want to access the ID 1. So I'll put 1. Now it is showing the user menu here, right? Here we can deposit amount or withdraw or view balance, or we can also see our transaction history. Suppose I want to add some balance, so I will select 1. As it is asking for the amount, I will say 650. Now you can see it is showing the deposition is successful, right? Now if we select the option 4, it will surely show our transaction history. You can see our transaction ID is 4. We have done the deposition last one, and the amount was 650, and it is also showing the timestamp. So this is my project, and we can exit from the project by like back to Mac menu by selecting 5. If I want to exit, I will say 6. So 6 and exit. So we have exited from the